Okay friends, so we've completed rounds 1 through 8. Rounds 9 through 16, you're just going to be doing a single crochet all the way around. And you should have 48 stitches on your round. So if you're going to use a stitch marker, have it handy. Just make that first stitch, and this is where we're going to put the stitch marker right here. And then we're going to just single crochet all the way around. So this will be 9, and then we're going to do it again and again and again and again until we have completed 16 rounds. You could also take a piece of paper and mark when you've done 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If you have trouble remembering how many rounds you've done. So that's all you do, is just do a single crochet all the way around.